Okay, now I'm going to introduce to you how to make coconut rice. We know that coconut is very rich in potassium, calcium, and the magnesium. It has a lot of, should I say, nutritional content in it. And the children love coconut rice a lot, and also some adults. Okay, now we've washed our rice, we've boiled our rice, we've parboiled to some certain concentration. So now I have to show you I have to show you how I reached to this level. This is coconut already removed from the shell. So when you get your coconut like this, you get your grater. Have you seen what I'm doing? I'm grating it. So as you are grating your coconut, have you seen it? Some people will blend. If you have a very sharp blender, it can work also, or a good grater, it can also work. So have you seen it? You do what? You grate it like this. Then now it is very light for any kind. Have you seen it in a tiny proof form? Very light for any kind of blender to blend. Then after blending, then you get your sieve. As you pour it in your sieve, you get out this. This is it. This is the coconut water. You get it. So here we have parboiled the rice. Okay. Then we now pour to conclude it. This is this is coconut water I am pouring already on the rice. So after pouring this coconut water, already remember I told you the rice is almost done. Then this will parboil without oil. I always make my things without oil. Even if I'm going to use oil, I make use of olive oil. So this is it. This is our tomatoes and the onions. You can pour little quantity of it, or if you want to pour a lot, you pour a lot. So you put it on the spice the rice already. Have you seen it? So that is it. That is tomato and the onions on top of it. And coconut water I have poured. Okay. The same thing with our meat. We have used the coconut water to boil the chicken, and we slice the chicken in different form. You can now put in your chicken, or you leave it this way. You leave it the way I have made it earlier on. Now I am putting inside the coconut rice. So that's it. Yeah, that is it. Okay. Now the way I made this coconut stew is with the coconut water. After grating, like I grated this one I showed you, yeah. After grating this, you blend this. After blending, you pour in a dish, then you sieve. You sieve out the water. As you sieve out the water, then you can slice your onions in different, different shapes as you want, or slice it in small shapes. Then after slicing in small shapes, you can also pour in the coconut water and blend everything together. Yeah, and blend everything together. So when this coconut rice is done, it's done. Anyway, it's done. When you are about to eat it, you can start first of all with your vegetables. That's what we call having a diet, a balanced diet where you are eating. Remember, the protein is there already, which is chicken. Then these are your vegetables. This is cucumber. This is carrot, boiled carrot. Then you can slice some avocado. Yeah, you can have some pieces of avocado. You know the reason why people are suffering from one thing or the other, this diabetes, high blood pressure, and the belly fat. We don't care about what we eat again. Yeah, so after slicing your avocado, then you start with vegetables first. You get it, just like I've showed you. If it is fruits, you can start with your fruit combo. Yeah, that is it. You slice your avocado. First of all, finish your avocado. I eat them one. I don't like combining them so much, even if they are 100 vegetables. I make sure I eat them one by one. Okay? You have seen it. So this one now, you slice your avocado. It's a portion. And if you don't want to, it's not good actually to eat too much. When you feast your hand like this, that's the kind of quantity of food a person is supposed to consume, no matter how big you are. You get it? So this is a portion now for a person. You put more of the fruit, okay? Either veg or the fruit. This carrot is enough. You don't pour all because you say this is cucumber. You put little cucumber. I love cucumber a lot. Okay? Yeah. Then, if you want to do green vegetable, have you seen it? This is dodo. Yeah, you can slice your dodo and you do what? You can put little quantity, and that is it. So to me, the coconut rice is ready to consume. So if you have to dish, like I've said earlier on, for a person, this spoon is enough. Yeah, this spoon you have seen is enough. You don't want to get fat, okay? You can just, have you seen, add more depending on the height and the size of the person. Yeah. So this is our coconut rice. Then get one chicken, one piece of chicken. Have you seen it? So I wish you are here. I told you enjoy. Okay, so that is it for coconut rice. Thank you for joining me. Remember how we started. You get your coconut pop. This is one piece of coconut. You do what? You grate. After grating it, you sieve out the water, or you blend. Sorry, you blend it. Have you seen? In pieces like this, you blend. You get out the water. By then, you have parboiled your rice. The second cooking of the rice, you pour the coconut water. Thank you so much.